thing, shouty. So cool, science. Can you break molecules apart? Well, you know what the old saying is, you can scatter molecules like scattering bowling pins. Well, okay, well, you know, I'm not sure that might be the old saying. Yeah, I think we just kind of came up with that. We can make it an old saying. Let's make it an old saying. Not only do I have a wicked cool experiment for you, but I have the perfect person who can show you how to do this for yourself right at home. And although you might see me as having an easy day at the office, I like to think of this as paying homage to a guy who made my channel famous. So, take it away, NurdRage.
Greetings, fellow nerds. In this video, we're going to do the classic demonstration of ELPHANT toothpaste, which is actually just a fast expanding foam. To do this, start with 50 milliliters of detergent. If you can blow bubbles in it, it'll work. Now we add to it 100 milliliters of 30% hydrogen peroxide. This peroxide concentration will cause burns, so be careful when handling it. Wear gloves. Now mix it up. Now we make a solution of potassium iodide by adding 10 milliliters of water to 10 grams of potassium iodide and mixing it up. When you're ready, just dump the iodide solution in and stand back. And that is ELPHANT toothpaste.
I only showed you a small amount of his video. He does this a couple other ways, and you're definitely going to want to see him do the glow in the dark. So, how do atoms, well, pull apart? And what does this have to do with the ELPHANT toothpaste experiment anyway? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. Potassium iodide is made up of a positively charged potassium and a negatively charged iodine. When we mix hydrogen peroxide molecules with potassium iodide molecules, the different charges push on the oxygen molecule in the peroxide. This causes the hydrogen peroxide to rapidly decompose into water and oxygen gas. As oxygen gas is released, it gets trapped in the dish soap molecules, creating a large volume of foam that looks like toothpaste erupting from a container. This is a very good example of a chemical reaction we call decomposition, where molecules react with other molecules, causing them to break their bonds and separate one or more of their atoms completely. So now you know more about chemical decomposition. You know, being able to scatter molecules right at home is why science is so wicked